Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good. In our previous lecture, we had discussed the pronouns. We started with the definition of pronoun and then we introduced a new term that was antecedent. So let's have a quick recap of pronouns and antecedent, and then we would discuss a few things from the exercises to increase your understanding on the topic of pronouns. So, pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun, of one noun or more nouns, and antecedent is a noun that is replaced by a pronoun. So whenever there is a noun in a sentence and it has been replaced by a pronoun, so that particular noun will be known as an antecedent. For example, Uzair is my student, he is my next door neighbor as well. So in this particular sentence, he is a pronoun and its antecedent is Uzair. So this was a new thing that we had discussed in the previous class. And then we moved on to the types of pronouns: personal pronoun, reflexive or emphatic pronouns, demonstrative pronouns. So personal pronouns are I, we, my, and so on. And reflexive pronouns are the pronouns in which a word self is added to my, I, he, or any personal pronoun. So demonstrative pronouns were they, their, here, and so on. Interrogative pronouns are used to make questions: who, whom, where, who, whom, where, which, etc. And then relative pronouns are, again, they are used to relate one thing or one phrase with the other one. For example, whom, whose, he's the boy whom I met yesterday. So whom is relating the previous clause with the coming one. So this is again a relative pronoun. So reciprocal pronouns, one another and each other. Indefinite pronouns, someone, someday, in which the pronoun is not a definite or a particular one. So you may go into the detailed lecture of all this. You may view my previous lecture to develop your understanding of on the topic of pronouns if you haven't yet watched it. So let's move towards the exercise that is our basic topic for today. So I'm going to discuss a few exercises from Renan Martin's book. So I am focusing on exercise number 29. So let's have a look at exercise number 129. 29. So page number is 127. Here are compound or relative pronouns, and its exercise is given over here. So I hope my screen is visible to all of you. Here it goes. So in this particular exercise, what you have to do is you have to name the relative pronoun in the following sentences, and then you have to mention its antecedent. So we have already seen the definition of antecedent and a pronoun. So the first sentence is, the pen that you gave me is a very good one. So we are talking about a pen. So pen in this particular sentence is our noun or a pronoun. Sorry, so this is an antecedent, and that is known as, what is it called? Yes, relative pronoun. So let's move on to the next sentence. The answer which you gave is not right. So answer is the antecedent and which is a relative pronoun. Yes, you are very right. So the next sentence, I know the woman whose child was hurt. So whom am I talking about in the sentence? Yes, you're right. So woman is an antecedent and whose is a relative pronoun. Very good. So you have developed good understanding on this. Let's have a look at few more sentences. Sentence number 8. Here are the books which I found. So what is the antecedent in the sentence? What are we talking about? Yes, we are talking about the books. So books is our antecedent and which is a relative pronoun. Let's have a look at sentence number 11. Here is the book that you lent me. Yes, so book is once again an antecedent and that is a relative pronoun. So that's wonderful. Very good. Let's jump on to the next exercise because I believe this is quite clear to you. This was a basic exercise on pronouns. So in this particular exercise, you have to fill the blanks with suitable relative pronouns. So again, relative pronouns: who, whom, which, that, whose, and in a few cases this is as well. When a sentence has such in the sentence, such as, so you will use as a relative pronoun. So let's have a look at these sentences. We always like boys dash speak the truth. I believe you remember that who is used with the human beings, so that is the reason who would be used in this particular sentence. So what is your understanding, where do we use which? Yes, if you have to talk about the animals, you will definitely use a relative pronoun which, right? So, sentence number one, we have discussed it as we always like boys who speak the truth. Second sentence, we saw the dog dash worried the cat. Yes, yes, you are right. It can be which and it can be that as well. Let's jump on to sentence number four. I know dash you mean. Yes, I know what you mean. Good, good, very good. So let's have a look at sentence number six. I have seen the bird that dash you described. Yes, that you described. Very good. So let's jump on to the next page and let's have a look at it. So here is sentence number 14. What does it say? He is a man dash you can trust. Here is a man dash you can trust. Yes, whom you can trust. Very good. Whom you can trust. So, where is the book dash I gave you? Yes, that I gave you. Right, very good. So, let's have a look at sentence number 18. Listen to dash I say. It's a different one. Yes, listen to what I say. Very good. Sentence number 19. He dash is merciful shall meet mercy. Yes, he who is merciful shall meet mercy. Very good, wonderful. So let's have a look at sentence number 21. Dash, I have said, I have said. So can it be who, whom, what? Yes, this is what. What I have said, I have said. Very good, very good. Okay, let's have a look at this sentence and then we will move on to the next exercise. The exercise sentence number 24. Do you know dash has happened? Yes, do you know what has happened? Very good. So let's jump on to next exercise. So next exercise is about once again fill the blanks with suitable relative pronouns. So the dash, so the sentence is such a man dash he should be honored. As I have discussed earlier, so in some cases, a sentence that contains such, it is followed by as a relative pronoun. So, such a man as he should be honored. Very good. So, next sentence, sentence number three. These mangoes are not such dash I bought yesterday. Yes, how will you fill the blank? Yes. Since the sentence contains such in it, it would be followed by as a relative pronoun. So those mangoes are not such as I bought yesterday. Very good. Let's jump on to sentence number 6. Yes, 1696. He plays the game dash he likes the best. So there should be the best, not just best. So how would you fill this blank? He plays the game that he likes best or the best. Sentence number 7. I do not believe dash you say. Yes, what you say. So sentence number 8. My uncle dash I loved is dead. My uncle whom. Yes, whom as a relative pronoun would be used over here. So my uncle whom I loved is dead. Very good. Let's move on to sentence number 10. Let's have a look at it. Dash you say is not true. Yes, what you say is not true. Very good. Sentence number 11. A lady dash I know nursed the child. Yes, you're right. The lady whom I know nursed the child. That's good. So let's have a look at sentence number 12. He says dash he means. and means dash he says. How would you fill this blank? Yes, you're right. He says what he means and means what he says. Very good. Okay, right, wonderful. So you have developed very good understanding on the topic. So let's have a look at this last sentence, sentence number 17. You have not brought the books dash I asked that I asked for. Yes, that. It would be filled with that. Very good. So you have developed good understanding on it. So I don't think there is anything else that we need to discuss for this particular lecture. So, but I would like you, if you have any questions that are disturbing you, you may post them in the comment box. I will definitely try to answer them in time. So that's it from today's lecture. Hope you have enjoyed and learned from today's lecture. If you have any question, please post them in the comment box. I'll meet you with our next topic in the coming week, inshallah. Have a good day. Bye bye.